A warm and mild November ended in a hurry on Friday, November 18th, as Winter Storm Argos slammed into the area with what's a rarity in the Brainerd region, an actual blizzard. The National Weather Service issued a blizzard warning for Cass, Crow Wing, and Aiken counties as wind gusts combined with heavy snowfall to create whiteout conditions. Heavy mantles of snow fell on trees, with the wet, sticky snow causing limbs to break and power lines to snap, leaving some 12,000 people in the region without power. Road conditions deteriorated, and even snowplows reportedly were stuck on numerous occasions, as there were 373 spinouts in the state, 2 fatalities, 1 serious injury, and 239 crashes from the state patrol numbers earlier in the day. Banks, schools, the library, health clinics, colleges all closed in the afternoon as people tried to get home before the roads got any worse. There were many reports of traffic crashes, vehicles stuck along roadsides, in ditches, and in intersections. There were trees reported down across area lakes roads, including Roy Lake Road. A semi-truck was jackknifed at 371 in Hole-in-the Bay, closing traffic lanes for some time. One of the very busy people along the area was the pizza delivery guy who was able to make it to the people that were still stuck in their offices. And then the dig-out begins. Reporting for the Brainerd Dispatch, this is Renee Richardson.